Wednesday, February 24. Let every person be in subjection to the superior authorities. Romans chapter 13, verse 11. Under the law that God gave Israel, appointed men handled not only spiritual matters but also civil and criminal cases. But under the law of the Christ, the elder's role is to handle the spiritual aspects of the wrongdoing. They recognize that the secular authorities have the God-given responsibility to handle civil and criminal cases. That includes the authority to impose such penalties as fines or imprisonments. How do elders handle the spiritual aspects of serious wrongdoing? They use the scriptures to weigh matters and make decisions. They keep in mind that love is the foundation of the law of the Christ. Love moves the elders to consider what needs to be done to help any in the congregation who have been victims of the wrongdoing. Regarding the wrongdoer, love moves the elders to consider, is he repentant? Can we help him to regain his spiritual health?